So now we are on the second page of the order of operations sheet. This should be attached to the same place where this video is attached. So here we see we're going to do number 20 next. And remember, we treat absolute value bars just like we treat parentheses. We do what's inside of the absolute value bars first. So here we go. -9 minus 10. -9 minus 10. See how they're both negative? When the signs are the same, we add. 10 and 9 make 19. But since they're both negative, it's going to be a -19. So remember, we have not taken the absolute value of this yet. So we need to do that next. So I'm just going to let all this just kind of chill out there at the side. I'm going to keep working on just the absolute value. So -9 minus 10, -19. The absolute value of -19 is +19. But see this negative right here that I carried down right here? Once I make this -19 into a +19, the negative that was there from the beginning makes it turn back into a -19. Okay, so from here, we need to do the exponents next. So 12 times 12 is 12 squared. So 12 squared is 144. So now I'm looking here. All I have is multiplication and division. When all I have is multiplication and division, I work the problem from left to right. So the very first thing I need to do from left to right is 144 divided by 6. Will 6 go into 1? No, 6 will not go into 1. Will 6 go into 14? Yes, 6 will go into 14. How many times will 6 go into 14? 6 will go into 14 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Then we need to subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down the 4 and start over. 6 will go into 24 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. And when I subtract, I do not have a remainder. So 144 divided by 6 is 24. Now, don't forget the times 3 right here. That needs to come down. So looking at this problem again, the next thing that we need to do is the 24 times 3. We multiply before we add. So 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 and 1 that we carried make 7. So 72. Here, the signs are different. When the signs are different, we need to subtract. Put the bigger number on the top. 72 minus 19, I have to borrow. 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. What kind of 5? The 72 is the bigger number. The 72 is positive, so it is a positive.